Anjali, that is sesame. We are familiar with sesame, not in this context, but we know Ali Baba and Charles
Yes.
story. In that there is a version. Open sesame, close sesame. Arey, that pronunciation is sesame.
Sesame.
One lady used to call it sesame. You should have proper pronunciation. Open sesame, close sesame. Means what? तिळा उघड. That has become Marathi. तिळा उघड आणि तिळा लाव.
Oh.
That is because to break the fruits and to get the seeds intact without crushing, that is a very great practice. And that is why you have to do it carefully. तिळा उघड, तिळा लाव. The seeds of three colors: black, white, and red. Normally we use white ones.
Right.
Till is the first source of oil used by Aryans. They were residing at the North Pole, where there are 6 months of night and 6 months of daytime, sunshine. They wanted some oil which will remain liquid even during darkness at low temperature. Till oil doesn't get solidified. It remains liquid, and that is why it is more valuable. Tilat iti tailam. That is how the first till oil came into existence. And since it is from till, it is called tailam. And still, even if you see now, all the Ayurvedic preparations, particularly medicated oils and similar ones, are made in till oil because they remain liquid even at low temperature. Moreover, this oil is very hot in nature. So even if you have a headache, bit of oil rub on the forehead, that relieves you from the headache. Simple recipe. This oil acts as a vehicle for all sorts of the ingredients, active principles. You know, there are many active principles that are not soluble in water, but they are soluble in oil. So they are, if the oil is prepared with the help of such ingredients, the oil becomes vehicle for them. Tea oil is if you smell it, it has a wonderful smell. Very, what should I say, tasty smell. The color is also golden brown.
Yes.
So both way it is, but we do not use it much for the cooking purpose. For cooking we use other oils. Then what for till is used? Till is used, as I said, in the Ayurvedic preparations. Also till is used for confectionaries, pastries. Then we have the great festival, Tilgul. Til and Gul, both together, they give more energy because both of them are rich in energy. So that is Tilgul festival. You have to face the low winter temperature, so Tilgul gives you best source of energy. Til is also associated with the religious ceremonies. Particularly, we have a customary Tilanjali, where you pour water on til, and that is how you cut the last tie with the dead, departed soul. That is why it is also required at the time of Shraddha ceremony. That is our old link with the past tradition. In nature, til grows wild. That til has got more beautiful flowers. That til is known as jartil, which comes naturally. The flowers are mauve colored, and one of the petals is darker with a stop, rather with a dark spot. Til is the mark of beauty, beauty spot, where beauty stops. And that is why, because that plant has got such a beautiful spot, whenever there is a face, there is a mark on the face, that is called till, and the plant is also called till. आता ते त्याचं